Even though I make a lot of product review videos, I'm actually a pretty frugal guy, and I only buy the high-end version of something if I know that I'm going to use it for a really long period of time, or I know that it's really high quality, which is why I decided to finally go ahead and invest in a Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. This mouse works on every operating system, including iPads, Chrome tablets, and even Android phones if you use one. It has an 8000 DPI sensor, which means you're going to be able to move your cursor around your screen or multiple screens with it really fast. It has its signature mag speed scroll wheel, which lets you navigate through pages really fast, so you can read through articles or vlogs effortlessly, or use it when you're watching your favorite product review content creators. And a bunch of other really cool features we're going to go over as I unbox this thing, set it up on my laptop, and try it out for the first time, letting you know my honest thoughts as I use it for my daily workflows. All right, here we go. We have another box in the box. All right, here we go. Ooh, look at that. Nice. It's definitely a pretty beefy mouse. Like, ooh, it feels really nice in the hand. Like, as you can see, it literally fits the curve of my hand in a very natural way, just like advertised perfectly. Like, I almost thought I didn't grab the mouse when I picked it up. Even though I haven't hooked it up to my computer yet, it does feel like really nice in my hand. Like, I don't know how else to describe it. And the clicks are really quiet. To give you an idea of just how quiet these clicks are, I'm going to hold my microphone up right next to it and click it, because I can literally barely hear anything when I do this. That's like even when trying to press the keys really hard. I'm also still not fully over how natural this thing feels to hold. Like, I feel like I'm not really holding anything, and I don't really want to let it go. I think it's because of this unique curve of the mouse. Then you can hold it without having to grip it really hard, and the texture of the mouse just creates enough friction on your fingers to where, like, even if I use a really loose grip, it's not falling anywhere. This scroll wheel feels super nice too. Whoa. Okay, okay, hopefully this picks up well on camera, but I was shocked just now because since this is a mag speed scroll wheel, if you hold it down, it just keeps spinning like in either direction. Instead of like just stopping like a regular mouse. That is insane. I have never seen a mouse that can do this before with its scroll wheel. But yeah, that's pretty much all the physical features of the mouse. It also comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable for you to charge it, for which if you charge it for 1 minute, it can give power that lasts up to 3 hours, or on a full charge, this thing can supposedly go for up to 70 days. And a Logibolt USB-A receiver, so you can connect it to your machine. If not, you can also choose to connect it via Bluetooth. One small thing to note is that if you have a Logitech unifying receiver, it does not work with that. So you do need to use the Logibolt receiver. All right, let's set this thing up and try it out. We're here in my home office with the Logitech mouse. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up with my laptop right here, plugging it into my docking station. As you can see, I'm already a little bit of a Logitech fanboy, and this mouse is going to be replacing this much older Logitech mouse, which you can see if I compare them side by side is completely different. Not only is this older mouse wired, but the texture is this really smooth plastic versus having this nice matte finish that creates the friction that stops the mouse from dropping out of your hand. And the clicks are just way louder on this older mouse compared to this newer mouse. And I'm really trying to press down on these keys. Anyways, here we go. Conveniently enough, the instructions for setting up this mouse are very clearly written on this gigantic sticker that's attached to the back. It can be done either via Logibolt or Bluetooth. I'm going to go ahead and do it via Logibolt, so we're going to see how quickly it starts working after I set it up. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, looks like it's working already. Yes, that was super easy. So if you install Logi options, then it's going to enter a setup guide for your mouse. We're going to put this one to the maximum, of course. I'm learning a lot as I go because apparently the mag speed scroll wheel has 2 modes, which are ratchet and free spin mode. I am guessing free spin is the default, which lets you do this crazy thing and just hit the scroll wheel hard in one go and it continues to scroll. And if I click this button right here, it's going to shift it a little bit and make it scrollable in a little bit more of a refined fashion. Firstly, I'm going to keep the free spin mode on because this is a ton of fun and I've never seen a mouse that can do this before. If you get this mouse, you just gotta try this mode out. Next, there's customization options for the thumb wheel, which is this guy right here. You can choose between horizontal scroll, zooming in and out, volume up and down, navigating between tabs, and a keyboard shortcut. Ooh, that's a tough choice, but I think I'm going to go with navigating between tabs because I like to have a bunch of browser tabs open usually whenever I work. Then we still have 4 customization options to go, and the next one is the back button, which is over here, and I'm assuming the next is going to be the front button. Normally on these types of mice, the front brings you to the next page and the back brings you to the page you were previously looking at if you're browsing the web. I'm going to go ahead and leave these normal, even though you can see there's a bunch of other options as well. And it looks like you can effectively just copy and paste with your mouse, which is pretty awesome. Yep, I called it. And the next customization option is the forward button. And thinking about these options, it's really well designed because using them together, you can either go forwards and backwards, copy and paste. Adjusting the volume is okay, but undo and redo, like I could see these 3 being really useful in day-to-day tasks. And I understand that you can also set up different profiles, so you can set these paired commands for each specific app on your computer. Oh, guys, this is insane. Like, I didn't even catch this when unboxing it, but there's an easy switch button on the bottom of the mouse that lets you switch between 3 devices. I am definitely going to be using this button because I usually have both a Windows and a Mac and also an iPad open at the same time. And this can effectively become my master mouse to control everything without having to use individual tools for each one, which is insane. Oh, what? There's a gestures option? Oh, apparently this part of the mouse is a button too. So if you press it and move it in different directions, you can also do different things. Wow, this is insane. I did not catch this at all. So if I hold down on the gesture button and pull my mouse downwards, I should be able to hide or bring up all of my windows at once. Oh, that is crazy. And bring them back. Woo! Even if you have all of your windows maximized, you can just hold the gesture button on your active window and like shift it left or right to rearrange it and move the screens around. So I can definitely see how this is going to improve my productivity a lot, and I'm just getting really mind blown by this mouse and everything it can do. And on the final screen, it shows that it offers predefined app-specific customizations, so you don't have to set these all up yourself. So for Google Chrome, the forward and back button, as you can see, are still forward and back as they should be. But on Microsoft Word, they're changed automatically to redo and undo, which is amazing. After the onboarding, you're taken to the main settings screen where you can still add further customizations to the buttons, changing them up for what your mouse is going to do by default, or even modifying the pre-configured profiles and adding your own for specific applications that you like to use if you want. In point and scroll, you can configure both your pointer speed and also the speed of the thumb wheel, along with changing up the direction of either the scroll wheel or the thumb wheel by the default direction or inverted, which if you're a Mac user is usually called natural scroll. In easy switch, I imagine I'm going to be able to change up the order of my machines after I've connected all of them to this mouse. And finally here on the last setting called flow, I'd imagine after connecting 2 machines to the mouse, you're going to be able to flow the mouse between one machine to the other, which means if, for example, my light box right here was a second computer instead of a light box, and I moved my cursor from this screen here to the edge, the cursor would automatically jump to the second machine and I would start controlling the second machine without me having to hit the easy switch button. And it's also really useful because it lets you not only switch control between the 2 computers, but if it's set up properly, you're going to be able to actually drag and drop files from one computer to the other. And that pretty much covers everything I can think to say about this mouse. As you just saw, this mouse has a lot of incredible features that honestly I didn't fully know about until I started filming this video. And I'm still really impressed by how nice this feels to hold, how it really fits the natural curve of my hand, how quiet the clicks are, and how fun this mag wheel is, along with being really useful. So I can really see how this mouse is not only going to skyrocket my productivity once I figure out how to fully use all of its functionalities, but also make my experience of using my computer a lot more satisfying and enjoyable just by virtue of like holding this, feeling the comfort and clicking around. So if you're looking to get an amazing mouse that is truly comfortable and fun to use, has a ton of customization options, is designed to boost your productivity no matter which field you work in my opinion is fully worth the price, pick up the Logitech MX Master 3S for yourself today and you're going to be set.